Well, it really opens the range. So again, it gives you that ability to go from that 1.25" or 1 bore clear up to 24. Without the small bore kit, my smallest bore is about 2 5/16, right? Because it's a 2.25 bar. And so I can go from 2.25 to 12 as a standard package. But with options like the small bore kit and the large boring head, it really opens up that range.